installing this Teppanyaki grill. It is made by Cook-N-Dine. It's a model MO-61. It's 24 inches by about 18. It's got a little control box here. And it comes with a pattern. Pulled out the drawers. Got this pattern right here. Drilled small holes and then marked with a magic marker. And we're gonna come back with a 5/16 inch drill bit and a jigsaw, cut out this hole and set it in. Got our 5/16 inch holes drilled. Got it all cut out with a jigsaw. Had to hit this with a skill saw right here because of this wall here. And then we'll trim out a little bit along the bottom to give it some room. All right, we got it in. And we're gonna go up under here and use these bolts and washers, or nuts and washers, and secure it in. All right, so we got it installed. Just clean the top off. Right now we got it temporarily wired in. I'm gonna put another plug inside here so that's not exposed. This is a dummy drawer now, it was a real drawer. I installed the control knob in there and knocked out the rest of the drawer and connected it up. Trying it out for breakfast. See how it cleans up. Running it on 9, started at 5 for 5 minutes to heat it up, cranked it to 7, and then now I'm up to 9, just trying to figure out the heat settings. I'm not sure if you can tell this or not, but it actually bows in the middle. Yep, bows in the middle so that all your grease and everything comes down and go over the edge. That's why it doesn't need an edge. That took longer to clean than our skillet. And got some spots, so we'll see if we can clean that back up after it cools down with some soap and water. So this time around, I'd try to cook the sausages first and let the grease go out, spread it, and then cook the eggs on it, and that did not work at all. Do not do that. It left quite a mess. We did find out that the Tonic water helps clean this pretty good. Splash it on there, scrape it, and then use a paper towel. Wendy finally gets to throw away the skillet. She's so excited about it.
I have my countertop space now.
Doused it down with Pam. It looks like it's doing a little better. We'll see after I pull the food off. So with Pam, this ended up a little better, but there's got to be a better solution to this. Maybe a stick of butter or something. So we found out this barkeeper's friend is truly magic. Once it cools down, hit it with that, wipe it off, and it looks brand new again.